loving, feel so numb. Ride me till I'm about to come good. Loving, feel so numb. Ride me till I'm about to come.
Hi, T.
Hey guys, not too much on the, you know.
Oh, hold up.
Wait.
Welcome back, YouTube. We're back with another banger video. It's your girl Genesis.
Bye. They don't even know you. Show your face. Everyone can go the video.
No.
We're gonna go
Brianna, you gotta introduce yourself. It's your
Okay, guys. Hi.
collaboration.
No, you have to be like,
We're back with another video, guys. All right, guys. So what is on the agenda today?
Well, we should add that in the video because that's kind of like.
Okay, what's on the agenda?
We're going to L Train Vintage.
I don't know where we're going.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going thrifting.
Yes.
Thrifting. We ain't buying shit.
Thrifting. We're window shopping,
We're not
really.
buying stuff.
We're window shopping, really.
Girl, I don't give a fuck.
So, okay.
Wait,
Well,
you should start bleeping out the curses. That shit would be so funny.
You see how you curse already?
That would be so funny because it would just be bleep, bleep, bleep after like every other word.
you see how much editing that is, though? Like,
You right.
that's a lot to do.
Just give it to Genesis because at this point,
Edit.
she's the only one. She's the only one picking out of everybody. Like I've already minded my
AP? What is?
It's for AP code. I love this so much.
Girl, we not in AP Calc, we in pre-calculus. We are not that smart. Come on now. Anyways, how was your day, Genesis?
It was interesting. I'm playing now. Today was mad fucking boring. Like,
Yeah.
history first period, snooze. But actually, no, history was dead fun today.
Because of Jeopardy.
Yeah, because of Jeopardy. Bro, tell me why. My group goes first. It's me and Maya, right? First question, I literally had to answer the question. A group stole my answer before I even got to answer the fucking question.
No.
So I literally, me and Maya had negative 100 the whole game because after that shit, we just gave up.
Negative
Fuck, I look like
100?
trying again.
You know who didn't get negative 100?
We
We're a little upset because we had a question, right? There was a question and we wanted to answer it, but a pal of ours up here answered the question. So we answered the question. It was like something about, I don't know what the hell it was about. Okay, but the answer was Prince Henry,
Oh,
right?
Prince Henry.
So Happy was going to answer the question.
And what he said?
He said Prince Harry.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Our
Y'all
great
were...
history teacher said, what was that? Our great history teacher says, I'll allow it. And I said, that's not
He allowed a lot of
answer.
quick answers.
The answer is Henry.
And we was gonna steal two and
Exactly.
get some points.
We're not talking about the UK Prince Harry. We're talking about the Spanish.
He almost said American.
It was a little sad. But it was pretty much a good day. I have to zone almost all my classes except one, Spanish 2. She wants to teacher. It's okay though. And I'm
That's an L teacher, I'm not gonna lie.
so it was a pretty good day. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah.
Okay, Diana, it's your turn.
Okay,
How was your day?
It was a good day. History comes
Okay,
out.
sun hitting. Okay, there's like a whole freaking car.
I like art.
Damn, this sun is hitting.
Okay,
A bang.
go ahead.
I like art. Hold on, what other class I had? I had AP Physics. I love AP Physics, y'all.
AP Physics was fun as
I love
fuck.
AP Physics. I love it.
We did a whole thing with a cart, a lab with a cart. It was mad
It
fun.
was mad chill too.
It was fun.
History.
History, I was falling asleep in that class.
I'd rather have AP Lane than history. I'm not even gonna lie.
You gotta have AP Lane.
Yes. Then history?
The game that we did was fun, but usually AP Lane is fun.
Oh, I think it's boring because we have non-fiction text. It's not like...
I used to get it from Mr. Majetic and I saw that. I was like, oh shit. I usually turn in late work.
Well, better get on your Zoom. Better get on your
Not
Zoom.
this year, y'all. Not this year, y'all.
Better get on your Zoom. Anyways, we're still walking. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. You told me I could trust you. Don't lie. I could really use it.
Everybody needs love, even niggas like you. Gentlemen, you ain't shit.
You told me I could trust you. And I could really use much I wanna talk about, but I ain't got no one to talk to. All right, y'all. So we made it inside the thrift store. Only $5. Okay. Period. Sweats. Okay. So this is pretty much what we're looking at here. Go like this. It's a pretty big store, and it has also downstairs where it has like men clothing and stuff. So we're just gonna roam around. I think we're just gonna look for stuff. Like grandma, I don't know, but I know at thrift stores they be getting like bags and stuff. I don't know about this shit though. Okay, shoes. Hold on. Okay, little skinny jean moment. Okay, hold on. Only $8. See, you get some good deals. But if you're wondering where the rest of them are, they went to Dunkin', which is like on the next block. So we're just gonna roam around till they come back. So yeah. Okay, so we're still here. Yes. I'm not serious right now. I found you some leggings. I ain't putting that shit on. Alright. It's kind of sucky. Like, I thought they would have better stuff, but like, maybe we have to go downstairs. Usually the men's section, like, got some stuff. Like, it has some pants here. It's like, So, turns out, we went to the wrong thrift store. So, we are...
We're going to a different one.
Oh, we didn't even go down the block.
If you don't see Youngin, then you're in the wrong place. Right.
Thank you, Giselle, for pointing that out.
I got you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
And did.
Yep.
See how it changes?
Okay. Well, it turns out it's right next to it too. We didn't even walk all the way down here. But it's okay, because we're going to actually find some good stuff. Because I low-key wanted to shop. So, let's go. All right, Genesis. Me too, girl. Anyways, we're here. And we're going to go watch and look. Oh, shoot. Okay, hold on. Watch your step. I saw you. But we're going to find some stuff. And we're going to show y'all. Why?
Because I'm 100% alcoholic. You say as a drinking Dunkin' Donuts cool on it. It has a little spicy.
Bye.
What is your cinnamon in there?
Cinnamon.
I can't get caught up. We could have been and we try to pretend. And now and again, we don't dream about, don't think about what we've been.
Huh? Bye. What? No.
Period.
Okay. All right. That bye. What is that?
Really jealous.
Rihanna, you would eat this.
What? Show them. Hold on. What's up?
It's mad long.
Bye. No.
Wait, I want to see what the bottom looks like.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Who's gonna stop us?
Is this giving mermaid water? Mermaid. This looks deep.
I don't know, man. It's a little.
Yuck anyone's.
I don't know. All right, down there we go.
This is what yum is. What is yuck?
Let's go towards Diana.
Look at what Diana's doing right now.
And you are caught. You are caught. No.
Trying to get the holes, y'all. Come on.
I would not eat in that. What is no? Purple is just not me. Y'all are bored.
Those kids off the mic about me and Ava about to kill him. We're gonna No!
How you gonna say,
No.
get off the mic? Me and Ava to kill it. And then she asked, oh, should I tell him to get off? And no!
Cut that out.
She's not cutting it
If
out.
I see this shit on YouTube again, I'm suing you for defamation.
How are you gonna sue her when you willingly are in the video?
Guys, this is a 2.0 Mr. Cologne.
Bye. Are the strings broken? The strings are broken, yo.
Fuck, I fucking eat that shit.
Put that shit down, man.
Diana, you get on there.
Put that shit down. I got you.
The cars don't got two strings.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right.
This bitch is a joke.
Yeah. That's really what they are. They're flare.
What rise are these?
That kind of ain't
Next level stretch.
Next level stress.
I'm not saying that again. I'm a good thing you wasn't recording.
Oh my
Who's
god.
curious about the full lab?
Look,
We'll find
why
out
is
next.
everybody up there?
Where's the
Gabriana.
How is someone's clothes gonna fall out the side?
Wait, but that's not even that good.
But it doesn't fall out the side.
I'm thinking it was a big ass hole.
Yeah.
All the way
I mean,
Let's do that. Pick out your best church outfit. Best church fit.
boy, aisle, guys.
Okay, best church. We gonna be church man.
yeah.
Or a little lumberjack moment.
I think it's giving lumberjack.
Give her.
I think it's giving like frat boy going to a college party.
Right.
Don't know what to wear, so I'm wearing this.
Actually owns this. I'm not even joking. My dad literally owns this. Like it's in his closet right now.
Yo, the way you stand with that camera, like.
Okay, well they're gonna pick out their best church fit. There's a random boy playing the piano. I don't think he knows what he's doing,
This is actually giving.
but it's okay.
It's giving Chelsea.
Low key. This is kind of low key giving like lumberjack. I'm telling y'all, like we about to chop some wood.
Chop some wood.
Anything like this. So first we have this. I'm not gonna try it on.
Corduroy pants.
Yep. Big tag, you got big tag, you know, not here. All we need left is the bald head, but I'm not that committed. Diana, I think you should try this on.
Hell no, y'all.
You sure? Diana.
All right, next. Giselle, you're up.
I am the main singer. I am the choir girl. I am the one who leads everybody. I'm missing the shoes, but it's okay though.
Period. Okay. Okay, what is this? Come on, describe.
It's given for, you know, you're gonna get baptized, you're gonna get,
Are you baptized with Diana? Make sure.
you know, you're gonna get sent to heaven.
So that's your best church fit. Okay, cool.
Hurting my heart.
Where you from?
This is the name.
That's the name. Can never go to
You just
So
bother
this
me,
is the reason
guys.
why
Can
you
you
can't
just
go.
bother me? Like, damn.
You right?
So I can't go nowhere with them.
Yeah,
You
because-
see the joke.
Because we have to help you. Because you don't know what you're talking about.
know the name.
Rolla
And
Medina.
she said, I need help. My God.
Guys, we left.
I didn't really like it.
Yeah, it was an L trip.
Even though we only looked for clothes for ourselves for like a short period of time,
Right.
there was literally nothing. It was a shame. A sham and a
It
scam.
was an L.
That's why it's called L Train Vintage.
L train is because it's an L. So, we will be going somewhere else another day. Not there, because that shit was ass.
Recommend
The vintage shop.
Le Point Bell. Beacon's Closet. I still want to go.
Oh, the other one where you got your dress, but they closed.
They closed, yeah. I got my dress.
We'll find a place, just not today. But if you're wondering where this was, we are in Bushwick. Bushwick is nasty, it's ass. It's bad. Don't come here. But I was already thinking of doing like a mukbang for y'all at Kiloba. But I think I'm gonna do that, or that place where we was gonna go on Friday.
Yeah, we're gonna go there and we're gonna vlog it.
We're gonna vlog it. Yup. And we're gonna show you a new place that we found in Bushwick. So, you know, the food here is good, but the place itself is just nasty. So, if you care about the environment, don't come here. Don't come here. But, yeah.
Okay, bye.